This is my finished look. I used the Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, cut that. Okay, I already said that in the beginning. Why are you gonna say that? Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a little tutorial, just and a little bit of certain things that I put on my face of this look that I did. And let me tell you, this was the first time I was using tape in a long time, and that was fun because I'm not used to doing my eye makeup before my face. I normally do my face and then eye makeup because most of the products that I've used or use, I don't get much fallout because I have little techniques and I tell you guys about them. You know, every time you dab in lightly and start to build up. Don't go crazy all at once because then you're going to have that. But if you're that type of person that you do your foundation last, and by all means, dab in, put it all over. But this is the look that I created, so I want you guys to go ahead and stay tuned so you can see how I did it. And everything I use, I will always list it below. And let's just go ahead and get started. this is my finished look. I love it. Using that Jaclyn Hill palette, it's beautiful. If you guys do not own this palette, this is the one palette to own because the colors in there are fantastic. I think I've just, out of all the colors, I've used all of them except this one. And I might have used it because I feel like I did when I used like these three up here. I feel like I did use that, but I'm not 100% sure. But almost everything else I've used. I have a lot of palettes, so I dig into all of them. So it's so hard to hit pan, but I'm trying. I'm trying. Your girl is trying. These lashes from Chop Miss A. Wow. Like, these are so comfortable, and I chose these. Oh, are we lifting in the corner? Oh, no, we're not. You see, girlfriend just is not having a lash thing. But they're amazing for $1. I recommend that company. Go check them out. I bought that myself. Okay, that wasn't sent to me. And the Milk KUSH mascara. I forgot how good this mascara is. Like, this is staying with me until I finish it because it is so good. And I'm retiring. I hit pan on this, or however you want to. I took out the life out of it. This is my Tarte MANEATER liner that I love. This is my favorite liner of all time. It is done. This little bad boy right here lasted me more than 6 months. And I use it every time I do my makeup, which is practically every day. So ask me how that happened. I do not know. But everything else is going to be listed below. So that way you guys know what I use. Today's Thursday, so I'm doing like a throwback Thursday with a friend of mine on Instagram. So I pick a lot of things that I haven't used, and I decided to film a video on it. It's not going to be a throwback. It's just going to be a, you know, making a look with the Jaclyn Hill palette and using tape, which I haven't done in forever. This is how I used to do my makeup. I always used to use tape just to get those great cut lines, but I'm not used to doing my eyes before my makeup. So when I had to come around my eyebrows and all that, it was just, I had to retouch everything. Everything got retouched. But everything I use, like I said, I'm going to list it down below. And that's pretty much it. So you guys, don't forget to like. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. And don't forget to subscribe and then hit the notification bell. Hello. That way you are notified when I upload next. Yes, it's been that long that I filmed. So I am off. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, week, weekend, whatever time it is. And if you're having a rough time right now, trust me, it will get better. With every negative comes a positive. So just hang in there and you will see that light at the end of the tunnel. Not the other one, the good one. Take care. To hit like, don't forget to hit the little subscription button and little notification. Okay, that came out real bad. I have to delete this.